Hello students, welcome you all in the lecture series of differential equations. In this lecture series, we will see what is the differential equation. Differential equation is an equation which involves the differential coefficients, or we can say the derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to an independent variable or variables. That is called a differential equation. For example, dy upon dx is equal to x plus 3 is a differential equation. Here y is the dependent variable and x is independent variable. We are differentiating y with respect to x, and this differential coefficient contains in the differential equation. Therefore, this equation is called the differential equation. Now, differential equation is divided into two parts: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. In case of the ordinary differential equation, we are having number of independent variable is only 1. We are differentiating the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable that is only 1, that is called the ordinary differential equation. But if the number of the independent variable is more than 1, then it is called the partial differential equation. For example, here dy upon dx plus 3y is equal to 0. This is called the ordinary differential equation, or it is second order derivative. We are again differentiating. This dy upon ds is again differentiating with respect to x. It is called the second order derivative, plus 3 into first order derivative. It is called first order. Means number of times we are differentiating the dependent variable with respect to independent variable, that is called the order of the derivative. This term is called the first order derivative and this term is called the second order derivative. By combining these derivatives, we get the differential equation. It is a relation. Differential equation is what? It is a relation between the dependent variable and its differential coefficients. Now it's all about the differential equation and ordinary differential equation. Now we will discuss about the order and degree of the differential equation. First is the order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation means it is the order of the highest derivative occurring in the given differential equation. For example, we have given the differential equation as in this differential equation we have three terms. In this term there is no derivative. In this term we are having the first order derivative, and in this term we are having the second order derivative. So in the whole equation, highest order is 2. Therefore, order of the whole equation, it is 2. So we can say that order of given equation is equal to 2. This is the order of the differential equation. For example, we are having d square y over dx square plus dy upon dx its cube plus 2y is equal to 0. Again, here some students say the order of this equation is equal to 3 because of this 3. But no, its order is not equal to 3. The order of this coefficient is only 1. We are differentiating this dependent variable only once. It's the power of the first order derivative. Order of a differential equation means what is the highest order occurring in the equation. So in this equation also order is equal to 2. It's only the exponent of the first order. So order of a differential equation means highest order occurring in the given differential equation. Clear? So this is not the order. Order is the highest order. How many times you are differentiating the given dependent variable? That is the order of the equation. Next is the degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation is defined as the degree of the highest differential coefficient when the differential equation has been made free from the fractions and radicals as far as the differential coefficients are concerned. Means we are considering the positive integral index. For example, we are considering the same example. If we are having this equation, now in this equation has three terms. This is only the dependent variable, its first order derivative. This is second order derivative. Highest order is this. Now power of the highest order derivative, that is called the degree of a differential equation. So degree of this differential equation is equal to 1, not is equal to 3. First of all, we get the highest order derivative term and then we take the degree of that highest order term. So degree of this differential equation is equal to 1. Now we are having this example. Write the order and degree of the differential equation. In the first example, I am having y is equal to x into dy upon dx plus 5 upon dy upon dx. Here, this dy upon dx, let us say, take dy upon dx is equal to y1. We can replace dy upon dx is equal to y1 or y dash. It is the notation for the first order derivative. Now, its solution, we have given y is equal to x into y1 plus 5 upon y1. We have replaced dy upon dx is equal to y1. Now this y1 is in the denominator. We have seen in the definition of the degree that this equation should be free from the radicals and fractions. So first of all, convert these equations free from the radicals and the fractions. Therefore take the LCM of this, or y into y1 is equal to x into y1 square plus 5. Again replace y1 is equal to dy by dx. So we will get x into dy by dx, its whole square, minus y into dy by dx plus 5 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, we are differentiating y with respect to x only once. So order is equal to 1, but degree is equal to 2, because the highest order term is dy by dx and its power is equal to 2. So its degree is equal to 2 and order is equal to 1. In this way, we can find the order and degree of the differential equation. We can illustrate this degree and order with one more example, that is 1 plus y1 its whole square raised to power 7 by 2 over y2 is equal to 5, where y1 is equal to first order derivative, means dy by dx, and y2 is equal to, if we are again differentiating dy by dx by x, means second order derivative. Clear? Now we have to remove the fractions and this radicals. It is called radicals. Clear? And this is called fraction. So to remove the fraction, we cross multiply it. 1 plus y1 square is equals to 5 into y2. Now squaring on both sides. One plus y1 square power 7 is equals to 25 into y2 square. So order is equal to 2. Order is equal to 2 and degree is again equal to 2, because highest order term is y2, that is second order derivative. Therefore order of the whole equation is equal to 2 and exponent or power of the highest order term, that is 2. Therefore degree is equal to 2. Clear? Next topic is linear and non-linear differential equations. How we can find the linearity of the differential equation? Linear differential equation is the one in which dependent variables and its derivatives occur only in the first degree and they should not be multiplied together. For example, we have given this differential equation. Here this y is the dependent variable and these are the derivatives of dependent variable. They are not multiplied together. Therefore this is the linear differential equation. But in the second example, here this y is the dependent variable and dy by dx is its derivative. In the definition of the linear differential equation, they should not be multiplied together, but here they are multiplied. Therefore it is called the non-linear differential equation. So to find the linear differential equation, there are two conditions. First is they should occur in the first degree. In this equation they are in the first degree. In this equation also they are in the first degree. So first degree is not only the condition, we have to check this also. They should not be multiplied together. Clear? In this way, this is the linear equation and this is the non-linear equation. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we will find the solution of the differential equation.